The family of Luis Garcia has filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Denver Public Schools.
It's been a year and a half since someone shot and killed Luis, a 16-year-old outside of East High School, but no one has faced criminal charges. But as 9 News Investigates reporter Kelly Ranke has learned, the family believes they do know who is responsible.
Yeah, Kim and Tom, a kid under 18 years old and his mother are listed as defendants, but this complaint primarily focuses on DPS. The family of Luis Garcia believes DPS failed to protect students by removing armed school resource officers. A Denver police car sits outside Denver's East High School. It's a sight that's difficult for Luis Garcia's family, who wishes an officer was there February 13th, 2023, the day someone shot their son near campus.
Why they do that after everything happened? Like if they have that car, those guys right there, like police department right there, my son is still alive.
The 16-year-old's father, Santos Garcia, spoke in February, 1 year after Luis died. A belief he had about school resource officers then pushed the family to file a lawsuit against DPS Monday. The wrongful death claim says the district failed to keep students safe by removing all trained and armed SROs.
You have to prove negligence, carelessness under the law, the failure to use reasonable care to protect yourself and others from harm.
9 News legal expert Scott Robinson said cases like this are challenging.
As long as all reasonable steps are taken to protect the student body, then a shooting incident ought not to result in liability.
In this case, Luis's family said DPS knew about multiple violent events at East High and failed to investigate prior incidents.
It's going to be up to a jury to determine whether the prior incidents and the absence of a school resource officer is adequate to prove negligence.
No one has faced criminal charges in connection to this shooting a year and a half later. Yet the lawsuit suggests the family believes they know who is responsible. The boy and his mom are listed as defendants, but not named because of the child's age.
Even without a felony conviction or any conviction at all, this civil lawsuit against the parent can go forward. It's just a matter of whether there's adequate proof.
The complaint says the mom should have known her son had guns because of posts on his social media and items police found in her home. After this shooting and another shooting at East High involving a student who shot 2 deans inside the school board voted to reinstate SROs. The attorney for Luis Garcia's family plans to hold a news conference tomorrow morning. Kim and Tom.
And maybe that's the opportunity, Kelly, for us to learn a little bit more about the genesis of the lawsuit and what they're hoping to get out of this, besides obviously some financial gain.
Yeah, they are seeking damages. We reached back out to DPD to see if they could give us an update on this investigation, and Kim, they just told us it's ongoing.
Okay, well, it is the investigation that we have all wondered who shot Luis and what led to this. So thank you, Kelly. If you have a tip for our team to investigate, email it to investigates@9news.com.